Guys, we have a package right here. This thing just came in now, and Favor went downstairs to bring it for me. Can you guess what I have here? This is for my princess. I have princesses everywhere, but this is for one of my princesses. I'm sorry if you guys are hearing sounds in the background. So I'm going to try to open it up now. I'm not sure if I want to show you guys everything here, or let's open it. Guys, good morning. See, my baby girl is going to school. Hey God, this is her first day of school. Are you ready? Don't worry, you'll be fine, okay? Mommy, turn around for us. Turn. Wow, so cute. Turn. Yay, high five. Good girl. Happy first day of school. I wish you well. All right? Yeah, let's go. Go inside. inside. Hey guys, good morning once again. So as you guys can see, Blessing has gone to school. Like this is so surreal. Like I don't even know how to feel. I'm having mixed feelings here. I don't know if I should be happy or if I should be sad that my baby is going to school, but whichever one it is, she has to go to school, right? So throughout this week they will be staying for 2 hours only, and for that 2 hours a parent is expected to or supposed to stay with the child, depending on if the child cries or not. So for instance, there are some kids that when you drop them off to school, they will start crying, throwing tantrums. So if hubby drops Blessing and she starts crying, that means he will have to stay back there. But if not, he will come back home. Then once it is 11 o'clock, he will go and pick her up. So the time is from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Yeah, so their school is starting first before every other school. For instance, Favor, Joshua and Caleb school, they will be resuming next week. So you see, this whole thing, you get a CB, honestly, but it is what it is, okay? And I also have somewhere I'm going today, guys. After unboxing that package that arrived last week, that was last week, so I was not able to properly explain to you guys who I bought that package for. I was just saying it's for one of my princesses, right? So that's my princess that has those goodies in that package is Chidimma. Hey God, I want to see her. I want to carry her. I'm tired of seeing her on the screen, although I've gone there before, but you know, it's been a long time. So I'll be going there today, but that will be after Blessing must have come back from school. I'll be going to Ozzy Tochi's house today. Oh, I didn't mention, but I know a lot of you might be wondering who is Chidimma. Have you introduced this Chidimma in question to us on your channel before? So Chidimma is Ozzy Tochi's princess, her first child. You guys know now. So I'll be going there today to gift her. This is her pre-birthday gift, if that makes sense. Pre-birthday gift, or I don't know, I bought this basically for her birthday, you know. And then on the birthday day we will still go there and celebrate with her. Yeah, so that's the plan. But yeah, my baby has gone to school. Her siblings are still sleeping. They don't even know what is going on. I know by the time they wake up, they will be wondering, where is Blessing? Mommy, where is Blessing? Where is Daddy? That is if my hubby stays back. But let her go and conquer the world. I prayed for her. I wished her, you know, luck and other good things that school can afford to her or bring to her. Yeah. Guys, I'm here editing my video and hubby just excuse me, hubby just called me now and he said that school has dismissed though. And I asked him, did she cry? He said surprisingly to him that Blessing did not cry, that she even cooperated. She was just sitting looking at the teacher and listening to what the teacher was saying. And when it was time to come outside to play, she was playing with other kids, but she only cried when she fell down. And he told her not to cry, that she's not a baby, because that's what she usually say at home here. When she does something and you try to correct her as a baby, she will tell you that she's not a baby. So hubby told her not to cry, that she's not a baby, and she stopped crying. That was the only time she cried. And I'm so impressed. I'm so happy. I thought she was going to cry, although I kind of prepared her mind for this starting of school thing. Like almost all the time I keep reminding her that she will start going to school, and you will go to school with your school bag and stuff like that, you know, that kind of talk. and whenever I say it, she usually gets so excited that she would like to go to school. But this morning when I asked her, you guys saw how her face changed this morning. I asked her, are you ready? She was like, no. And that got me kind of how do I put it, like I felt that she was going to go there and start crying, but it's completely the opposite, and I'm happy about that.
Wanda gave me this thing.
Oh my god, my baby is back from school and she's taking off her shoes. Oh baby, how was school today?
It was good.
It was good.
And it was fun.
It was fun too. Hey! Wow! Oh, welcome.
But they gave me this thing.
This school, none. Wow.
Today that she is capable.
Wow. Eh. Hey, I'm so happy. Oh. She wants to enter school bus. She has not even started. She wants school bus. Guys, I was wrong. I told you guys that this week throughout is going to be 9 to 11 a.m. for Blessing School, but it's only Monday and Tuesday. Then from Wednesday, Thursday, they will not even be going to school on Friday. So Wednesday, Thursday is 9 to 12:30. This girl is so excited. Like, I was asking her how was school today. She said it was fine and that she will like to go to school tomorrow, that it was so fun, that she likes her school. Like, she was just saying a lot of things. I couldn't capture her because as soon as she came back, she started taking off her shoes and her clothes, and right now she's not wearing anything. If not, I would have shown her face so that she will tell you guys how she feels about her first day of school. Like, she's so excited. Like, I'm speechless. All my kids, before they start school, I usually think that they will not like it. They will go there and start playing tantrums, but when they go there, they prove me wrong. They will go there, they will not even want to come back home, surprisingly. But I'm happy, I'm happy that she cooperated and she's excited and also want to go back. I'm excited. So very soon I'll start getting ready for going to Ozioma's house, Ozitochi's house, and I'll probably carry you guys. In fact, I'll carry you guys along. This one is not probably, I'm definitely going to carry you guys along. Okay, so stay tuned, keep watching, don't skip away. All right. Catch you guys later.